Hi, I'm Richard from PageFly. Are you struggling to integrate and customize a contact form on your Shopify store? In this video, I will guide you how to add a Shopify contact form using in PageFly to make sure your customers can easily reach you, boosting engagement and conversions. Firstly, we need to understand what is a Shopify contact form. Shopify contact form element is designed to help you quickly collect customers' messages or inquiries to increase your conversion rate. Customers' messages will go directly to your sender email, which is set up in Shopify admin, settings, notifications. Each email address can be submitted an unlimited number of times. To access the contact form element, in PageFly editor, click on the third icon in the element catalog, which is the Add Shopify Element function. Then, click on the contact form element in the drop-down menu. The contact form element comes with multiple variations covering most of your needs. Drag and drop the element into the page editor, and then start using it. This element comes with plenty of parameters, allowing you to fine-tune content appearance to reach the best possible conversion rate. Select the element in the layout to see its parameters. In General tab, you can enable the Show Confirmation to show customers success or error message. Success message is the text displayed after successful form submission. Error message is the text displayed after unsuccessful form submission. If you want to redirect customers after submission, select Yes for the Redirect After Submission parameter. After that, you can choose the redirect URL and setting the redirect delay. The redirect delay can set the time for redirecting after submitting. Min value is 1 second, the max value is 10 seconds. In the Styling tab, there are some parameters that you can setting for content color, padding, margin, typography, background, border, display, and effect. Each element in the contact form can be set separately. Click on the element to see the setting parameters. In this example, I will set the settings for the Submit button. Sometimes your customers cannot submit their information, and they have this notification, sorry, the submission cannot be sent. Please try again later after submitting your form. In this case, you need to check again in the editor for the email field. This is mostly because you put the wrong field for the email. As you can see, the field type of the email is currently set up for single-line text. And this is the reason why the submission cannot be sent. To fix this issue, you just need to change to the email field of single-line text or other options into email. Then click on the Publish button. The issue is solved. However, if you change to the email field but the issue still happens, please do let us know via the live chat window. We are willing to help you. This is the end of the tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe our channel to get more videos. Our friendly and knowledgeable team is available via live chat 24/7 to assist you with any issues. Thank you for watching.